Okay, so for my study tool, I used a Quizlet. I created a Quizlet. A couple features with Quizlet is you can go through flashcards. All the questions I created are based off the survey I created for the last part of the badge. You can go through here and look at all the other at all the questions in one spot. Over here you can have different ways to study the terms. You can play games, writing and spelling and testing yourself. I know this takes you to a test. Where you can test the terms and definitions.